Do you want to make drinks like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, or like this? These are drinks with cold foam and they are trending right now. The taste of these drinks and the aesthetic look of them is what is making people fall in love with them. You should make this at home. You should even add it on your coffee menu if you're a barista. And I would like to show you how you can make the cold foam step by step from start until the finish. So cold foam is a floating layer which is made by using heavy cream or whipped cream with other added ingredients that I'm going to be showing you in this video. We'll froth it for 30 to 40 seconds until it becomes smooth and silky, so that we can add it on our cold drinks, giving it this amazing look. From these 7 cold foam drinks that I came up with, 2 of them contain coffee, and these are the ones. 2 of them contain matcha. If you love matcha, these are the 2 that you should check out. And I chose 2 of the special ones which don't contain any caffeine. These 2 drinks can be enjoyed by people of all ages, young and old. The bonus one, which is this one, I came up with this idea for this bonus drink because I discovered that it's one of the most common drinks in many coffee shops. And I would like to show you how you can make these 7 cold foam drinks step by step from start until the end. You can make them at home or in a coffee shop. Now let's start by making a Mont Blanc, which is a very famous coffee drink in Melbourne, Australia. Its key ingredient is orange juice, cold brew, cold foam with vanilla. So I start by making the base, where I add 30 ml of orange juice, then add in 120 ml of cold brew. The cup I'm using is 12 ounce. Then I'll mix it very well. Then now it's time to make the cold foam, where I'll add in 15 ml of orange juice, then add 15 ml of vanilla syrup. Then finally, I'll be adding 45 ml of whipped cream. All these 7 drinks, I'm going to be using whipped cream for my cold foam. Then I'll froth it using my hand frother for 45 seconds until it becomes smooth and silky, perfect to pour on my base. So after it's smooth and silky, now it's time to add ice into our base, where I'm going to be adding 100 grams of ice, then pouring my cold foam on top of my base, creating this amazing layer of the Mont Blanc. For the final step, if you're a barista, you can garnish it with orange zest on top. Here's our Mont Blanc. So the Mont Blanc is a citrus drink, but also it's very creamy and tasty. This is an amazing coffee drink, and if you haven't tried it, I would recommend that you try it because it's very trendy. The second drink is the honey coffee cloud, a very simple drink yet very delicious. The main ingredients are honey, water, cold foam, vanilla, and a shot of espresso. So I'll start by adding 60 ml of whipping cream, adding my double shot of espresso, then adding 5 ml of vanilla syrup. Then I'll froth it for 45 seconds until we have that smooth, silky texture for our cold foam. After having our good texture of our cold foam, now we'll make the base. So I'll start by adding 25 ml of honey into my glass, then adding a little bit of hot water so that I can be able to mix the honey and dissolve it in the water. Then I'll add 80 ml of cold water into the mixture. Then I'll top it up with 100 grams of ice. So now I'll top it up with my cold foam on top to give it these 2 amazing layers of the honey coffee cloud. If you're a barista and you want to give it that aesthetic look, You can add coffee beans on top just like this to make it look more professional. And this is the honey coffee cloud, a very simple coffee drink and tasty. The third drink is the coconut matcha cloud, which is a very popular iced drink. The main ingredients are sweetened coconut water, matcha powder, and cold foam with vanilla. Let's start by making the cold foam first. Start by adding 30 ml of whipped cream, adding 15 ml of coconut milk so that you can give more coconut taste. Then add 4 grams of matcha powder. You need good quality of matcha powder. Then add 5 ml of vanilla syrup. Froth it together for 45 seconds until we have that smooth and silky texture for our cold foam that will add on top of our coconut water. After having the perfect cold foam for our matcha, now add 100 grams of ice into the glass. Then add 130 ml of sweetened coconut water. And finally, pour the cold foam on top of the mixture, creating these 2 amazing layers of the coconut matcha cloud. The final step, you can garnish it up with sprinkles of matcha powder on top to give it that amazing look for the coconut matcha cloud. You get the natural sweetness from the coconut water highlighted with the foam on top, giving you that amazing experience. And drink number 4 is the mango matcha cloud, which is a twist of the matcha. So we're going to be using mango puree, milk, matcha, cold foam with vanilla. Now let's start by making the matcha cold foam. Add 30 ml of whipped cream into the jug. Then add 15 ml of fresh full cream milk. Add 5 ml of vanilla syrup. Then finally add 4 grams of good quality matcha powder. Froth it together for 45 seconds until we have that smooth, silky texture for our cold foam. After achieving our perfect texture of the cold foam, now in our glass, add 30 grams of mango puree. This puree is homemade, so I'll leave a recipe of making the mango puree in the description below. Check it out after the end of this video. Then I'll be adding 100 grams of ice. After this, I'll add 130 ml of full cream milk, or you can use any other type of milk that you want for the mango matcha. Then finally, I'll be adding my matcha cold foam on top, giving you these 3 different layers of the mango matcha cloud. Mango, which is yellow at the base, white, and the green cold foam, which is the matcha cold foam. This is how you can make the mango matcha cold foam, which is an amazing twist of the matcha, giving you that tropical taste of the mango into your matcha for the amazing experience. Now drink number 5, which is a drink for people of all ages. It doesn't contain any caffeine, which is the strawberry chocolate cloud, an easy drink that you can make even right now. Start by adding 15 ml of strawberry syrup into your glass. After this, then make the cold foam. For the cold foam, I'm going to be using 20 ml of whipping cream. Add 15 grams of cacao powder or chocolate powder. Then add 30 ml of cold water. Then add 5 ml of vanilla syrup. Froth it together for 45 seconds until we have our smooth and silky texture of our cold foam. Now that we have our perfectly textured cold foam, get our glass again, add in 100 grams of ice, Then add 60 ml of cold water, and finally top it up with our cold foam to create these two amazing layers of the strawberry chocolate cloud. For the final step, as a barista, you can garnish it with chocolate powder or a strawberry on top. And this is how you can make the strawberry and chocolate cloud. And this one here, the strawberry highlights the creaminess of the chocolate, giving you the best experience. And drink number 6 is the orange chocolate cloud, or call it the chocolate sunrise. It's a mixture of orange juice with cold foam, with chocolate and vanilla syrup. And here's how you can make it. So we're going to be starting with the cold foam, where I'll add 30 ml of whipping cream into my glass. Then add in 20 ml of water. Add 20 grams of cacao powder or chocolate powder. Then add 5 ml of vanilla syrup. Then froth it all together for 45 seconds until we have our smooth and silky texture of the cold foam. After you have your perfect chocolate cold foam, now in your glass add 130 ml of orange juice. Then add 100 grams of ice. And finally top it up with your chocolate cold foam on top, giving your drink these two perfect layers of the orange at the bottom and chocolate on the top. This drink doesn't contain any caffeine, and if you're a barista, garnish it with a slice of orange, and this is how you can make the orange chocolate cold foam. The perfect drink for people of all ages, young or old. Everyone can enjoy this orange chocolate cloud. And drink number 7, which is the strawberry matcha cloud. I consider this to be the bonus drink. To make it, I'll start by measuring my 4 grams of matcha, then adding hot water and whisk it to create that perfect matcha mixture. This time around, for the matcha, we are mixing it separately, not with the cold foam. After the perfect mixture of our matcha, now let's make the cold foam. Add 15 ml of our strawberry syrup, then add 30 ml of our whipping cream, then add 5 ml of vanilla syrup. Froth everything together for 45 seconds to create our perfect strawberry cold foam that we're going to be needing for this cold drink. Now in our 12-ounce glass, add 100 grams of ice, then garnish the glass with strawberry syrup, then add 100 ml of milk. I am using full cream milk, or you can use any other milk that you want. After this, add your matcha mixture. And finally, top it up with our strawberry cold foam until you fill up the glass. And for the garnish, I recommend that you add a strawberry on top to give it this appealing look for the strawberry matcha cloud. This was my final idea that I had to share with you guys. I wouldn't leave it out since I discovered that it was also a very trending drink and many of you would like to try it at home or even add it on your coffee shop menus. And this is how I was able to make it step by step. The taste is really amazing. You can even adjust the way of preparing it. You can start with the syrup and top it up with the matcha foam on top. No matter which way you choose to make it, This is an amazing coffee drink if you follow these recipes. And these are my 7 cold foam drinks and their exact recipes. So if you find this video to be useful, leave for me a like or comment any questions of anything you didn't understand throughout this video. And if you want to support this channel, I have Amazon affiliate links where you can find each and everything that I use to make a perfect cup of coffee. So if you want to know more about the different iced coffees, then I would recommend for you to watch this video next for a complete guide on the iced coffees.